Okay, yung huling card na i-features natin is yung Metrobank Rewards Plus Visa card. Kung yung spending ninyo is nakafocus sa gadgets and electronics, internet and mobile services, online spend, delivery services like Grab, and telecom services, bagay na bagay sa iyo ang Metrobank Rewards Plus Visa. You get 2 times reward points if doon mo isi-spend yung yung card mo. You get 1 never expiring points for every 20 pesos spent. So, kung isi-spend mo sa gadgets and electronic, internet and mobile services, online spend, delivery services, and telecom services, magta times 2 ang points mo. Okay, so basahin natin kung anong specific categories para mag times 2 ang points mo. Number 1, sa telecommunication, it's Globe Telecom, Smart Communication, Innove, PLDT Home, PG, Filipinas Teleserve, AT&T, Huawei, Oppo, Hello Plus, Gadget, and Memo Express, and etc. For the transportation naman, you get to spend it on Grab, Uber, Mas, Transis, Railway, Turbojet, Victoryliner, Premier Taxi. Hindi lang included ang sa airline and airfare. So the rest nun, magta times 2 ang points. Pagdating naman sa electronics, PowerMac, ElectroWorld, Apple Center, Octagon, iSwitch, DataBlitz, Digital Walker, JBL. So hindi lang kasama yung mga electronics na binili sa loob ng SM. Then for the automobile services, Toyota, Lexus, Ford, Catz Motors, Honda Cars, Blade Asia, City Motors, Subaru, Prestige Cars, Mitsubishi Motors, and etc. Then, for the e-commerce and online spend, syempre, una-una dyan, Lazada, Shopee, Zalora, at PayPal. So, lahat ng i-spend mo doon, magta-times 2 ang points in every 20 pesos spend. Syempre, yung Metrobank Rewards Plus Visa, kasali rin sa mga installment programs, kasali rin sa mga exclusive promos and offers, kahit sa dining, sa restaurants, sa mga department stores, lahat yan kasali din ang Metrobank Rewards Plus Visa. So, if you want a double rewards on gadgets and online spend, message me to apply for Metrobank Platinum Visa or Metrobank Rewards Plus Visa. PM me to apply.